My name is Surya, and I'll be guiding you through the various features of this platform and telling you how to use it. Thank you. And we're back. Okay, so taking on from where I left off last time, now I'd like to kind of go back and show you the other kinds of video that we have. So in this case, I showed you that we had animation videos that signified by this icon which has a bunch of kites very closely grouped together. You can see that this is our in-house content because Geneo has the same kites on it. The second kind of videos that we have are from Khan Academy. And I'm just going to...
Let's say we have a magnetic field that's coming out of the right side of the screen, and it's not just along the screen. It's actually, it's three-dimensional, and so it's going above the screen, below, but the direction of the magnetic field.
So these are videos from Khan Academy that you can fast forward, you can rewind and watch. We also have add-ons called science experiments. So these are actual science videos that are shot in a laboratory environment.
Let's make a DC motor. Here we have some magnets, thick rubber band, batteries, an insulated copper wire. Wind the wire a number of times on the battery to make a circular coil.
And these give us really good insights into the experiments that are described in your textbook.
Remove the coil carefully and secure it like this so that it does not open.
I'm going to fast forward this video, and you can go ahead and click on this and fast forward to any place. Do not forget that you can always go and change the bandwidth or the speed of the videos. If you find that the video is choppy or there's too much of buffering, please lower the videos down to a rate which is acceptable. We talked about mind maps and we talked about interactive 3D models. Now we'll come to a very interesting add-on called Exploriments, and I'm going to go to the chapter of electricity for this one. Now, Exploriments are a virtual, and you'll find them inside Interactives. Exploriments are a virtual laboratory environment wherein which you can create and perform different experiments for yourself. So in this case, I'm just going to start a particular experiment. You are given a particular objective in this experiment and what you have to do. If you click on instructions here, you're given again a detailed set of instructions that you can follow. And I'm going to go ahead and then just create an electrical circuit and hopefully it'll work. You can drag and drop components and you'll find that they will snap to grid, or they will actually come and attach themselves to these red dots on the circuit board if you dragged and dropped them correctly. So I'm going to go and drag and drop a few more of these. And of course, I'm not following the instructions here as to what has to be done, but hopefully students who are watching this will. Let's see if I can get this light bulb to glow. So hopefully if I connect a circuit, and there we go. Well, this is not the objective is something different, but you can see that I have very quickly created a circuit here from various components that are available. And of course, if you do not complete the circuit correctly, the electricity will not flow and hence the bulb will not glow. So these are again a very nice interactive way of understanding the science and understanding what is being taught in this particular chapter and following along with it. The other kinds of video that we have here that you'll see come up from time to time have a little symbol of A with an arrow on top, and these videos are teaching videos. So this means that you'll have a teacher come and explain the particular concept with a chalk or a whiteboard, and it would look a lot like a classroom video. So let me go ahead and show you what this is going to look like.
This I need one more connecting wire. Now I am going to place the negative terminal of the battery here. Now our electrical circuit is complete. Now we need to measure the voltage across this wire.
Okay. So here you have teaching videos, you have animation videos, you've got Khan Academy videos. In the add-ons, you've got science experiments, you've got mind maps. In the interactives, you have 3D models and experiments, and of course you can have assessments. So this put together broadly forms the backbone of the Geneo environment. You can also, like I said, at any point of time get context-sensitive help, which will tell you what to do in this particular case, and very quickly will highlight different aspects and show you how it works. At any point of time, you can give us, the Geneo team, feedback. So you can click on the little feedback button and you can select one of the pre-selected things in terms of speed, ease of use, or you can say something else and then you can go ahead and type. You can send it across to the Geneo team, and as soon as we get your feedback, we'll get in touch with you and help you resolve this issue. This, I think, brings to an end what I'd like to talk about content. In the next section, which you can look at this, is something called My Profile. Now, My Profile basically gives you a little bit of personal information. And again, none of these are mandatory fields, but if you feel like you'd like to edit your profile, you can go ahead and select. You can go ahead and upload an image if you'd like to show us a picture of yourself. You can hit update, and now it's updated your student profile. This gives me my progress report. So in one particular single view, I can look at the status of what I have done with the various chapters in terms of the notes and the assessments that I've taken. I can further drill down into any one of these and look at all the notes that I've taken, click on any one of these notes and be able to see them in detail and edit them if I want. I can also here look at the bookmarks that I've set. In this case, I've set 4 bookmarks, and I can jump directly to these bookmarks. I can look at the assessments that I've taken in each chapter, and it tells me how much I got on the assessments, and I can jump directly to those assessments and take a look at them. And the last interesting feature is mentor or teacher support. In this case, Geneo environment comes equipped with a network of teachers that are available to answer questions at any point of time. Let's go back into the Geneo environment. And since I have not selected remember my settings, I'll have to do that again. But this time I will select 10 Standard Science so that it goes directly into my textbook. And we will in the chapter of electricity. So mentor support will follow soon when I have the ability to have a mentor that I can converse with. But hopefully this video has been